Hi, I'm Apurva from ClearTax. When you ask for investment advice, the most common advice you hear will be to diversify your portfolio with different asset classes. But what are the asset classes you must consider to build a decent portfolio? Here I am today to answer just this. A good asset mix must be based on your risk appetite, age, and financial goals. The major asset classes one can look at are equity funds, debt funds, cash, and gold. You may be confused on how to divide your investments among them. I am sure you can figure it out once you understand each of these asset classes. Stay tuned to find out what kind of investors can pick each of them. 1. Equity funds. Investors with an investment horizon of 5 years or more can invest in equity funds and gain higher returns. You can invest in equity-linked savings schemes (ELSS) and save on income tax under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Diversify your investments among different equity funds to balance returns and risks. That is, some experts suggest to invest in large cap and multi-cap funds. For your information, large cap funds are those funds whose asset allocation is mostly made towards equities of large cap companies. These funds are known to provide stable returns over time. Multi-cap funds invest in equities of companies across market sector and capitalization, thus giving you the benefit of exposure to a diversified portfolio. If you are willing to take some risk, then you may consider investing in mid and small cap funds. These funds have the potential to beat the benchmark. 2. Debt funds. Debt funds are the appropriate investment product for those investors who are risk averse and do not wish to invest in equities. Debt funds come with little to no risk. The ideal investment horizon for this asset class is 1 to 3 years, which is considered as a short to medium term. Usually, short-term investors choose liquid and overnight funds to park their surplus money as they offer best-in-class returns along with easy access to the funds whenever required. Dynamic bond funds can be another ideal option. 3. Cash. Cash here need not literally mean cash. It can be any liquid investment that you have made which can be accessed immediately. Are you looking at protecting the funds rather than daring to withstand the market volatility? In that case, you may invest in small savings schemes such as Public Provident Fund, Voluntary Provident Fund, Fixed Deposits, Recurring Deposits, and National Savings Scheme. Returns are guaranteed with these schemes and you can trust them since they are government-backed. Some of these schemes also offer income tax exemptions, which is another plus. The fourth asset class, the most loved precious metal, that is gold. The performance of gold as an investment has been consistent since the previous year. The yellow metal has stayed in the lifetime high position with the current value being well over Rs 5,000 per gram. Industry experts state that gold has the capability to sustain market volatility and has proved to perform better than equities and debt funds during the times of global recession. You can save your investments from pitfalls by investing a small portion of your funds towards gold. Based on your preferences, risk appetite, financial goals, and the time remaining to achieve them, you must carefully choose the right asset classes and invest the right portion of funds in them. You are then definite to achieve your financial goals. Also, reconsider your portfolio distribution once in a while and make necessary adjustments to have a smooth sail. Thank you.